If your games take way too long to load, even though your PC is decent, there's one small Windows setting that most people never touch, and it can make a real difference. It's not a program, it's not a mod, and it doesn't mess with your games at all. Windows is actually slowing you down. Here's what's happening. When a game loads, it constantly pulls data from your drive into memory. Textures, shaders, maps, audio, everything. But Windows is constantly trying to save power in the background, so it puts your drive to sleep. That's fine for office work. It's awful for gaming. Your drive goes to sleep, wakes up, goes to sleep again, and all those tiny delays stack up into slower, inconsistent loading screens. The fix is simple. Open Control Panel. Go to Power Options. Make sure you're not using a power saver plan. Select High Performance or Ultimate Performance if you see it. Now click Change Plan Settings next to your active plan. Then change Advanced Power Settings. Find Hard Disk and expand it. Then open Turn Off Hard Disk After. If there's a number there, minutes, seconds, anything, that means Windows is allowed to put your drive to sleep. Set it to 0. 0 means never. Click Apply, then OK. That's it. What this does is tell Windows to keep your drive awake while you're gaming. No more constant sleep-wake cycles. No unnecessary delays when a game needs data. You'll notice the biggest difference in open-world games, games with large maps, modded games, anything that loads assets during gameplay. It won't magically boost your FPS, but loading times feel faster, smoother, and more consistent, especially between levels or fast travel. One quick note. If you're on a laptop, only do this for your plugged-in power plan. On a desktop, there's basically no downside. That's it. One small toggle, hidden in Windows, and it fixes something that annoys a lot of people without them even knowing why. If you test it, drop a comment with the game you tried it on. And if you want more simple PC fixes like this, no nonsense, no placebo, you know what to do.